Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. If you are new, welcome. I'm Jaisha and today I'm going to be sharing my updated routine for my eyebrows. So getting straight to the tutorial, I use a headband to put my hair back to get it up and out of my face. And I'm starting with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. It has a spoolie on one side and a pencil on the other. I start by brushing my brow hairs up so that they're smooth, and then I can see if any are out of place. And I get my tweezers to pluck any extra ones or any unruly hairs, which is usually not too many. I just take some of the extra hairs on the bottom off and shape the top so that there aren't any extra hairs and it's straight. I don't get my brows waxed or threaded. This is the only hair removal that I do every once in a while since there just really isn't much for me to take off. So now I am going in with the pencil and I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can, or you can just watch and follow along. But I start by kind of drawing the outline on the bottom of my brow for how and where I want it to lay. And then I use the pencil and make hair-like strokes. In the front part of my brow, I go upwards for the hair-like strokes and then make the line on the top. I kind of just follow the shape of my brow. I don't make it any bigger, any wider, any thicker than it already is. I really love natural looking brows, so I just want to enhance what is already there and fill it in to make it look fuller than what it already is. So I try to follow the outline and the shape of my natural brows, and I do that by first outlining the bottom portion, the top portion, and filling in the middle with small hair-like strokes. And then of course I use the spoolie as I go to smooth out any harsh lines and blend in the pencil. So this used to be the end of my brow routine. This is how it looks with just the pencil, but here's the update. I added concealer to my routine. So I have the Lip Bars Quick Conceal in the color Honey, and I have an angle brush that has a floofy side on the other end. I don't know what you call that side, but then I put some of the concealer on the back of my hand, not too much, just a small amount, and I get the small angle brush and I use it to make a line on the bottom of my brows all the way across, and then I do the same thing at the top. This cleans up the brows so nicely. I don't know why I wasn't doing this before, but it just looks more defined and the edges look like more crisp. I don't know how to explain it, but this concealer is pretty much an exact match to my skin tone. Sometimes people use a lighter concealer to brighten up the area, but I prefer an exact match because it gives a more natural look. Once the lines are drawn, I drag the concealer out so that it's not sitting in one spot and looking too thick. So on the bottom, I pull it down a little bit, and on the top, I pull it up and outwards with still using that angle side and try to just blend it out. So then I go in with the floofy side of the brush just to blend everything and make it look seamless and melt into my skin. Moving on to my other brow, I'm going to quickly show the same steps that I just did. This is probably going to be a better angle since my hand is not in the way, but you can just see me do the same thing. Spoolie, pencil, concealer, blend. That's it. Okay, boom. Both brows are done. Here is how they are looking. I am obsessed with this new method. I don't know why. No one told me to do this before, but so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and come back and show the final look. So that is it. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my little updated brow tutorial video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and you found it helpful. If you are not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be great so that you can see more of my videos when I post. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.